Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Uranhub UG600 drone. This is a budget-friendly drone with a lot of premium features here. Has a camera, GPS mode, waypoints mode, points of interest, follow me, which is an interesting one, gesture control, headless mode, and return to home, which is a great feature. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Okay, so here is what we have. We're going to start with the controller, some instructions. We have some additional props and hardware. We have, these are nice for beginners. These are the prop guards, in case you happen to hit a tree or something like that. I recommend staying away from trees. A couple of charging cables. And then the drone itself. This is a foldable one, so we're gonna pop these legs out. There we go. That's what it looks like. Also comes with 2 batteries, so double the flight time. That's great. Before we get this into the air, we're going to have to charge both batteries fully, as well as the controller. Yep, that's good.
We're going to glass and do it. Oh, look, it's spinning. So as we're doing it, so as you see it, guys, see that truck and this dangerous. Is that better?
Yep, that's good. All right, guys, so after a few flights here, I have to say this is an extreme value drone. I mean extreme value. At the price point that they're selling it at, this thing flies extraordinarily well. It is stable, it rests in the air, it just hovers nicely, better than some really higher priced drones that sort of drift. This thing is stable in the air. The camera's decent, right? So that about what you would expect at that price point. But a great beginner drone. You could see my 3-year-old, almost 4-year-old son was flying this without issue. His friends came over, they were flying it. And really, it wasn't a big deal. Back, 5 years ago when they didn't have the GPS technology and things like that built in, it was a problem because you just get it in the air, and then keeping it in the air and keeping it in one place was a chore in itself. So extreme value here, guys. Is a great little drone, great beginner drone. And really the thing you want in a beginner drone is the fact that it sits in the air and stays. It can turn and maneuver as it should, and it stays there while you're trying to figure out the controls. So great little drone, guy. I'm telling you, it won't steer you wrong. Decent battery life, so you get 2 batteries with it. Really nice value. Can't say that enough.